As soon as you've got oil on, you can introduce the sticks. If you feel that they're right temperature, you can go straight to your effleurage. If they're a little bit warm, you could have done some cat paws first. Half shots good to use coming up the IT band. And again, you can use them on their own, or you can use them together. Keeping it moving fairly quickly when we initially make contact. So this is another one that you can roll. Obviously avoiding any bony areas. And to finish off your session, you may work on the pectoral area. So on this angle we can circle, we can effleurage. Or you might just choose to do lines working laterally.